So hello people, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time tuning in, guys. My name is Nisi. So today, guys, I'm gonna be doing some pipe cleaner curls on my locks, which I went to Walmart and picked up some pipe cleaner, which is just 4-pack, 25 in 1. So that's what, 50, yeah, 100. So I'm gonna be putting them in my hair. I don't think I'm gonna use so much, but we're gonna get started. So my hair is already washed from yesterday. I didn't want to do it yesterday, but I didn't get the time. But now I get the time to go ahead and film it. I haven't done pipe cleaner curl since my hair this long, so I hope the curl come out nice. I always love pipe cleaner curl because it gives me such a nice tight curl. So all I'm gonna do is just wet my hair up, not too wet, just so the curl could have some definition. And I'm gonna be putting my oil in there. So guys, if you want to know what I used to make my oil, let me know in the comment down below. It's nothing hard, it's super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put your oil in, massage your scalp. I already oil it, but I always try to put more oil. It won't hurt. I think I'm gonna make section it off in 2 and put the pipe cleaner in there. Yeah, I swear I can't see, guys, to be honest. I gotta put on my glasses. Oh god, I'm doing this. I swear I'm feeling. I'm going by touch. Let it touch. Alright, I'm gonna I think I gotta go get some stuff to section off my hair, so I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I did have to went and put in my contacts because I couldn't see nothing. I was just trying to feel and try to do the pipe cleaner, but I couldn't see on the camera if you guys were seeing me or not. But yeah, I got Jamar and Cece in the back there. They need to get out my room, like seriously. But nothing fancy. I'm just gonna section my hair in 2, and then I'm gonna put in the pipe cleaner. But this time when I put in my pipe cleaner, I never put ends paper, so I'm gonna put some ends paper on the end just to see how it's gonna hold it in, because I always put it in as it is. So I'm
this is a ghost.
Put on some end paper. So guys, let me show you how I do my pipe cleaner before I put it in. So this is how the pipe cleaner is. So you want to fold it in 2 like that and bring it down. And right here, you're gonna make a little hole. You see the hole right there? And then you just twist it all the way through. I think I'm gonna give Jamar some work to do.
No. I'm leaving. Come on, Cece, we're leaving.
This is it. See? So easy. So I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna take maybe 3, and I'm gonna put it up like that. Jamar, they seeing me good?
Yeah, they're seeing you good, but you gotta zoom in so you can get a good shot of you. A good
So I'm
shot.
gonna take the end paper.
Shut up! You gotta
Take
shut.
the end paper.
You gotta learn how to shut it. You gotta learn how to shut it. If you can't hear, you
Wrap
can't
it
see.
around. So I'm just gonna dab it a little bit with some water.
Hey.
Like that. And
This is a ghost.
oh, that's the purpose of the damn end paper. To try to hold everything in. So let's try to do it.
Fine, I'll close it up.
There we go.
You okay?
So now we're gonna put it on. You just wanna wrap the locks on the pipe. I'm trying my best to show you because holding the end paper and the locks at the same time is hard.
Mommy, help me!
There we go. I secure it, and you guys just want to wrap it up. Wrap it all the way up. See that? I think I'm wrapping it on the opposite side. But and then you want to secure it. You see that?
You're getting a super picture of your look.
Super easy.
Hold on with the window.
Jamal, shut up. So the end paper is optional. You don't have to do it. Maybe I will do some of the front without the end paper. So I just didn't want to try it with it. So I'm going to speed it up and try to finish the back off camera. Pull down the shit. So I swear the end paper was holding up my time. So I like, I'm not going to use them. But I can't believe my hair is this long. I swear. Using the pipe cleaner, it's a lot. Let's hold this apart here. There we go. So I did these so far. And I can't believe my hair is so super long. So let me show you guys. Hope you guys see what I'm doing. So I already bend the, what you call that now? The pipe cleaner. I did them so fast. They're not even neat. So I'm gonna be wrapping my hair around it. You can see some of my hair is longer than some. Here we go. Okay. Just trying to secure the end. See, so the hip locks not sticking out, and I just wrap it on. I try to wrap it as tight as I can. Not say tight as in tension to my root, but as packed together because the thing is so short. You see that? So that's going. And I just keep going till I get to my scalp. And then I just bend it like that. You see? So that's how it look. I'm gonna be finishing it up. This is the one with the paper. It's not bad, but it's me doing it. If it was someone else doing it, maybe it would have been easier. But me, it's holding up my time. In my mirror. So, almost finished. So I got this side left. And these are my little short, let's hold it up. My short locks those are the short ones that I got. Let's wrap it on. I think I want to put 3 only. There we go. 3. So I'm finally finished. I only got 4 locks, no 5 left. So I'm just gonna I will say this take me 2 hours to finish. So that's not bad. So guys, I'm gonna be taking down the pipe cleaner. So this is what I went to bed in. So let's take it off. It is looking a mess. You know what, let's hold up the camera a little bit. Yeah, that looked better. So that's it. There we go. I'm on my little little spinning chair. Yeah, hope the curls come out nice. But I don't even know where to start. Maybe start at the front just to see how one is. So I'm just gonna like, oh, there we go, pull it out like that. See? That's the curl. It looked pretty nice. It looked tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the rest. So I take them out. It's looking nice. I don't know what happened to this one. It's so stretched out. See that? It fall. But yeah, it's Bunksy as usual. But they're cute. I love them. Yeah, I'm not gonna comb it out. But yeah, that's it. It's cute. Nice girl. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a Bunksy. Oh my goodness, I'm choking. Guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video that I post. But yes, those are pipe cleaner curl. Look so full. You guys see it? Right, look full and nice.